Tips and tricks for making 2 6-inch pans, and nobody likes it when you bake a cake and it comes out perfectly, and then you go to take your cake out of the pan and when you flip it over, it just rips the whole top of the cake off. So I'm going to show you just a quick trick for that. So here I have some parchment paper, and I'm just going to line the bottom of my pan with parchment paper. So I'm just going to measure it. So I cut out 2 parchment paper circles just to line the bottom of my pans. And before I line the bottom of my pans with parchment paper, I'm just going to take a little bit of olive oil. And I'm going to put it on just a little rag or a paper towel. You can use whatever you find. And I'm just going to grease the sides of my pan. So I'm just going to put the parchment paper on the bottom of my cake pan. And voila! So I'm going to take my cake out of the pan and show you how it doesn't stick because of the part back. So I'm just going to take a plate with parchment paper on it. And then flip my cake over. So I'm just going to do this with my other cake. So another tip is I got these baking strips from Michael's, and what they're supposed to do is supposed to help, you put them around the cake pan, and it's just supposed to help the cake bake more evenly. I did notice when I opened them, it says, warning, thoroughly saturate with water first. So I guess before you use them, you have to get them really, really wet, or something will happen. So another trick is just to lift up your cake pan and just drop it on the counter over and over, and it should pop all the air bubbles that are in your cake batter, and it'll just help it not to have a bunch of holes in your cake when you're done baking it. My cake at about 15 minutes, and you can see it's baking a lot more evenly with the baking strips. So my cakes just came out of the oven. They're not completely flat, but they're a lot flatter than they would be. So now I'm just going to take this thing off. I'm going to pull out the pin. Look at my nail. So I know one thing a lot of people have trouble with is unfreezing their buttercream. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first you have to let it thaw out for about an hour or so. But after that it's still like really clumpy and stuff. So what you have to do is you have to put it kind of get a mixing bowl, put it in there, and then you just kind of mix it together a little bit. So I'm just going to mix it together a little bit. And so what's happening with your buttercream is it's cold. It's just too cold. Your buttercream needs to be about room temperature, maybe 70-80 degrees. So I'm going to take a little bit of buttercream and I'm going to melt it. Take about 1/4 of my butter, and I'm gonna just melt the entire cake. So take it out about every 5 to 10 seconds and just mix it so it doesn't get fried. So this is about after 5 seconds. I'm just gonna kind of mix it together and put it in for maybe 3 because it's about ready. Instead of just letting your cakes cool, which takes like hours, I like to put them in the freezer for like 30 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes. My cakes have completely cooled. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to check out my Instagram, Everything Sweet Bakery. I'll see you next time. Bye.